Hello everybody, this is Takukou and today we're doing a little bit of baking stream. Yes, that's right, something a little bit different. We're gonna try to make a 老生月饼, this lava EQ thing where it's supposed to flow out of the mooncake. But after a little bit of more research, I found out that I have to freeze this for an hour. So let's just start with this, because if it's not frozen and it's in liquid form, it's not gonna be easy to put inside the mooncake. So just gonna do that real quick. I'm gonna regret this, I know, but what's a scuffed dream without regrets, right? Send it to the coldest place in my fridge, and then hopefully in an hour it's all hard and solid, because we already have the filling already, so we don't really need to do anything about that. But we need to do something about the crust. Now the crust, if I remember, right, we need 220 grams of flour. Oh, perfect! Let's go! We have the flour. What's next? I need to prepare 150 grams of golden syrup. I have some golden syrup here. I guess I need to pour this into a smaller bowl. If I remember correctly, I need to mix the golden syrup with the sunflower oil and the lye water. I guess we put it in a smaller bowl. Right, here we have golden syrup. It's inverted from cane sugar and it's both rich and refined. The taste buds and glorious golden translucent appearance to the eye. Simply perfect for baking, especially traditional mooncakes. Yeah, there you go. So we just need 150 grams of this. Oh, that's so viscous. Squeeze! Come on! Syrup, why are you so viscous? Oh! How are you still 149? I put another drop inside already. Right, 150 grams of that. And then we need what? Sunflower oil, 50 grams. So we need to bring this to 200. It's all gonna mix with sugar at all? I guess we'll see. Let's go. Alright, next we need half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon. Half? Well, can't really focus, but that says half teaspoon. Lye water is basically just basic water, but as in like pH level. Because this thing is acidic, so you need this to neutralize it. It's what I learned. You gotta get this perfect. Oh god, wow, that worked out fine. Just gonna whisk it all together, and it should be a little bit less viscous, hopefully. Wow, this is oily. Okay. Now we just need to mix everything. How do we mix it? Do we make a like volcano kind of thing, a crater? Is that how people do it? Because they say it's easier to mix that way? I don't know. We're doing it in a bowl anyways, so. Alright, and in we go. I know the best way is to use your hands, but do I want to get my hands dirty? Like sticky? Fuck it, let's go. Oh, it's forming up real nice and quick. Put some flour on my hands. Well, I think it's a bit too late now, but okay. No, we shouldn't put flour. No. This is bad. This is bad. This is actually bad. Oh god. No. It's supposed to be sticky. No. It's not gonna stick anymore. Oh god. Okay. It's okay. It's savable, salvageable. I think. Yeah, maybe not so good of an idea after all. When I say salvageable, I mean like, you know, we had this bowl that is full of whatever thing we had. So let's just like wipe it clean. And there we go. Is it gonna be a dry mooncake? I hope not. Big old clean rest. Oh god. And we let it rest, I believe, for about half an hour.
Few moments later.
Okay, so flour out my hands and then start rolling it and then cut it into what, 12 pieces? Flour up the place, flour out my hands. Okay, and then I guess we just roll it. Oh god, I think there's too much flour. No, there's too much flour. No, go. Oh god, there's too much flour. No. What am I making, a noodle? What is happening? I think I can make a lot, because like our mold is not that big. We want to have the end product roughly about this ball that you can fit inside here. So if that's the case, the crust shouldn't be too big, right? I don't have a knife. I don't have a cutter. I didn't buy a cutter. Oh, you know what they say, when in doubt, use a chopstick. Yeah. Oh, I don't have a plate. Wait, I do have a plate. Uh-oh. So, this is how big of a plate that I can use, baking tray, because that's how small my oven is. And because it is a small oven, they recommend you not using cooking paper but aluminium foil, so it doesn't burn. So this is what we'll stick with. Oh god, it's sticking already. Oh no. I'm gonna check on the lava filling. Hopefully it's hardened. I don't have a freezer, I have an ice box, which I think only brings it down to 0 degrees. It doesn't freeze anything, so. Oh! Alright, lava egg yolk, please be a little bit hard, just a little bit. You're still soft! Yeah, guys, I don't know about this. We'll let it freeze a little bit longer. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But at least we can get some with just pure custard filling done. So, you know, that's always good. How do I roll it? How do I roll you? How do I roll you? Into nice tubular form. That worked out great. So around here. Alright, let's try this. Whew. Alright, that worked out great. Alright. Let me clean my hands, I'll get my oven, and we shall start the actual baking process. Such the wasted opportunity. Okay, maybe I'll wear it at the end of the stream. Not now, not now. Is that a problem? At least an hour? Oh god. I'll think about it! Yes or no? Let's flip a coin. Best out of 3. If it's heads, we go for it. If it's tails, no, I won't. Alright, good luck. That's 1 tails, doesn't mean I won't do it yet. Go again. Please, tails, fuck! Alright, one more. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, well, I mean, who really wins at this point, right? I mean, like, come on, tails, please, just fuck! Let me prop this into the oven first. Do we need to preheat this? Oh, I do need to preheat it. Let's preheat it for about 5 to 10 minutes. The preheating is done, so let's get that shit in. This is why I don't want to wear this. And now we need to prepare the egg wash. Oopsie daisy. I think 3 minutes has already passed. So, 57 minutes on the go. Alright, I'll place my phone right here. Once that goes off, I'm done with this. I absolutely suck at cracking eggs, so... fuck! Alright, just... No! The egg yolk! No. Okay, salvageable. Ugh. Wow. Almost nothing has changed. Oh, this is a bad brush. Look at how they're sticking together. There you go. With 160 degrees for another 5 minutes. Chat! I forgot to plug it in. Well, that's 15 minutes I'll never get back. No wonder it didn't do anything. What I'm planning to do is make this tiniest cup. Take this, scoop it up, slap it in. Yeah. Yep, this is working just as... Yep. Exactly how I imagine it to be. Oh god, this is so scuffed. slowly but surely. Ah! It's working, guys. It's working. My scuffed method is working. Let's go! Holy shit, it actually worked. Alright, one last egg brush, and then we prop it in for another 10 minutes. No, it's done? It's already done? And holy shit, it's all... Oh, it burst. It actually burst. Oh boy. That's broken, that's broken. Does it taste good? Live taste test? Is it hot? Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Oh my god, it's actually hot. Oh god. Oh, no, I can't even pick it up. No, I gotta leave it to cool down. There's no way I can eat it. Okay, I can pick this up. It's like a cookie outside already. What is going on? It's a cookie! Ah, it's so dry. Ah! Ah! It's so fucking dry. Oh my god. Just made a Sahara desert. Yep, look at this shell. You hear that? That's how hard it is. It must be the high temperature. It must be. He says it's dry as fuck, he still eat it without water. I mean, what else can I do? It's just dry. Like Sahara desert dry. Oh shit! Get me out of this! Get me out of this! Why don't you behave like pure metal? Like the moment you guys touch each other, you stick. Okay. Please tell me. Oh, it's bursting. It's cracking. It's actually cracking. So we've already baked 2 batches and it's as scuffed as it can get. Look at that. These 3 is batch number 1. And as you can see, they're super rock hard. This is batch number 2. It just came out. It's cooling at the moment. So we'll see how that goes. It's not mooncake at all. It does not look like a mooncake at all. But you know. Yeah. What's a baking stream when you get everything right? No, no one wants to see that. Everyone wants to see you fuck up a little bit. This is our last batch that we're gonna make. Hopefully this batch comes out a little bit nicer than the last. It's so hard. It's just like raining dust. These obviously I cannot give it to my family and relatives because it's literally unedible. What's my verdict? An utter failure? But it is a good experience, you know. I started out this stream wanting to know like what it takes to make a mooncake. Why spend like 200 Hong Kong dollars on a box of mooncakes when you can spend less on the ingredients and try to make it yourself? Well, turns out that it's really hard to make. It's not as easy as I thought. Online videos really make it very easy. They do make it look very easy to make. Am I gonna eat it? Yeah, of course I'm gonna eat it. I'm not gonna waste food.